Once upon a time, there was a chubby cat named Whiskers who thought he was a ninja. One night, he spotted a moth buzzing around the room. With laser focus, he crouched low, tail wiggling, and prepared for a stealth attack. He leapt, and missed completely, landing face first into the curtains, which wrapped around him like a burrito. Now stuck, Whiskers tried to claw his way out, but only managed to spin himself into a dizzy cocoon. When he finally broke free, the moth landed right on his nose, mocking him. In a final, epic attempt, he lunged, and instead tumbled into his food bowl. That night, Whiskers went to bed with a bruised ego, while the moth, victorious, buzzed overhead.